Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta aikitie ritana riake kuri ruhonge rwa igoti guku bururi-ini riri gukoretwo na ndugamano ya ica ikuhi ya ruhonge rwa igoti na atongoria matiganite akiuga ari bata gutungatira muingi uria mahete wira.
I urge today the judicial officers to serve all Kenyans fairly and diligently and to specifically uphold the constitution and the law.
Mutongoria wa bururi ni oritie jaji munene gutigira ni arutithania wira na honge ciothe cia thirikari kamwira atuite matua make na ningi gwetha njira ya kunina macira maria maturite igoti-ini.
Administration of justice is attained when the legislature, the executive and the judiciary work together and not just when the judiciary acts alone. We should be conscious of the judiciary's needs and we should render our support without delay or undue hesitation.
Ona kuri oguo ni oritie jaji munene kwihanda ni amuni aria mukagira mateta kuma kuri muingi undu umwe na atongoria kiuteti.
You also ought to accept that criticism comes with the office, whether in the media, in journals, in public baraza, social media.
Mwena-ini wake jaji munene David Maraga ona thengia wa gutongeria thirikari iguru ria kuongerera majaji ruhonge-ini ruu ni oritie thirikari kuongerera kigina kiria irahe ruhonge ruu niguo kwagagiria uruti wa wira wa magoti.
Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, the judiciary continues to face the challenge of insufficient budget allocation, which has remained at an average of 1% of the national budget over the past 5 years. Indeed, this financial year, it slipped to 0.99%. This falls below the internationally recommended judiciary budget of 2.5% of the national budget.
The CJ and I were discussing earlier about even the pressures and the need for us to find and mobilize additional resources. I have made a commitment to see how we can work together with Parliament and avail additional resources.
Ningine ugite ruhonge rwa igoti ni rukunyita itemi hari kuhurana na ungumania akiuga ni ndamathi eri irahotomio thii wa na mbere noguo macira ma ungumania ni marithikagiririo na gutuithanio kwa ihinda riria riagiriire.
It is my sincere belief that if the heads of the three arms of government resolve to fight corruption with unfaltering zeal, we will significantly reduce it, if not eliminate it altogether.
Maraga ni ongereire kuuga macira ma thirikari marituithanagio kuringana na mwena uria uri na mahitia na gutire koragwo na guthutukania mwena o wothe niguo gutigira kihoto ni giakinyanira.
As far as the judiciary is concerned, the government comes to us just like any other party before court. And so we will continue ruling in favor of the government sometimes and against it at other times as guided by the law and the evidence that is placed before us.
Atongoria amaririo hindi ya kurugurio kwa riboti ya o mwaka ya uruti wa wira wa ruhonge rwa igoti kuria meraniire kurutithania wira hamwe. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Jeta Kamau wa Mwangi.
Then another copy to the Speaker of the National